Hello, I'm Flylady Kat, and I'm here with a special gift for you, and that is a free Patreon video. This Patreon video is one of hundreds and hundreds that I have on my Patreon channel, A Better Life with Flylady Kat at patreon.com. And on this video, you will see that we're talking more about how we think and implement the Flylady system into your life rather than the specifics about the Flylady system. So I call it a mini mentoring session, and it is $5 a month if you decide that you want to enroll at Patreon and become one of my patrons. $5 a month gives you 5 videos a week, week after week, month after month. If that's something that you love, please come over and enjoy these and be part of our special group. There are no advertisements on Patreon, so you'll be able to enjoy it end to end without interruption. If you feel that you'd like to have a little bit more mentoring, maybe some personal accountability or some help, you can get one personal mentoring session a month with me for $25. That is my tier 2. That's going to give you the 25-minute mentoring session and the videos all inclusive for $25 a month. If you need more help, you can get 2 mentoring sessions a month plus the videos for $50 a month. And if you want to go all the way and really help yourself establish some great habits and get into the flow of the Flylady system, then I recommend that you go for 4 mentorings a month, which is $100 a month, including the free videos. These are all great systems for you. If you can't join Patreon, that's fine. Do your best on the Flylady system here on this channel. I'm sure you can, but if you do need some help, please come over and see how you like it. That's it for today. I hope you have a beautiful day, and I hope you always remember to be beautiful, because you are beautiful. Enjoy the video. Hello, patrons. Today we're going to talk about not leaving the room. This is a little rule that you make for yourself that gets things done so that you're not dragging out a particular routine. So for example, this morning I walked into the bathroom earlier than I normally do. I usually get up, make my bed, put my clothes on. I go to the bathroom first, I won't count that. But get up, make my bed, put my clothes on, take the laundry into the laundry room. And then when I go into the bathroom, I clean the toilet, I brush my, do all my facial stuff, and then and my hair, I clean the toilet and the sink, and then I go into the kitchen. That's my normal plan. However, I have a new rule that is when you're in a room, you can't leave the room. Now, you have to leave the room to go to the bathroom, and you might choose to go back to your room after you go to the bathroom. Those are your exceptions. I know it's silly, but anyway, it's just a game. But today when I was in the bathroom, I said, nope, I'm not leaving the bathroom. So I was in there in my pajamas instead of my regular clothes, and I always weigh myself first. I used the bathroom, I weighed myself, and then I went straight into cleaning my face, moisturizing my face, doing my teeth, putting on my makeup, combing my hair, cleaning the toilet, cleaning the sink before I left the bathroom. Then when I went in the bedroom, I made the bed and put my clothes on, took the laundry to the laundry room. That's what I did. And then I went into the kitchen, emptied the dishwasher, blah, blah, blah. So the rule is when you're in a room, try to stay in the room. Don't leave the room if you can help it, and work as fast as you can to get your things done in that routine. Okay, that's the rule. All right, so let's see how it works. Let's see what happens when you do your laundry routine. Well, that's pretty easy. You put the laundry in the machine, put the soap in it, turn it on, detergent, and turn it on, the softener, whatever. Maybe you spot some clothes first, etc. But you stay there. And then if you have things in the dryer, then take them out. Maybe you need to fluff them up if you waited a little too long. Fluff them up, take them out. Fold the clothes. If you don't have room in your laundry room to fold the clothes, and you have to leave that room with the clothes, then don't do that yet. Leave them in the dryer. Do the other things. Maybe you have some things drying on a rack you need to take off. You have some little things to attend to in there. Maybe you need to wipe some things down a little bit. You spilled some detergent on the top of the machine or whatever. So do everything you need to do in there and then go out. And in this case, if you had to take the laundry out, I would take mine to the living room, which is where I fold it. I put it all in a chair, and I fold it and put it on the chair next to it. There's 2 chairs there. Then I put the clothes away. So I don't stop until the whole process is finished. But basically by staying in a room, it helps you. So the next thing after that, paper, I really prefer that you do the paper right where you stand. So if your paper is in a stack in the bedroom, stand in the bedroom, pull 1 inch and get all the trash out of that stack. Then take the trash and the good stack to your desks. The good stack goes in your inbox, the trash to the shredder or the garbage can or whatever, the burn pile, and you're done. Next, let's say the morning routine, After the morning routine, what do we have? We go straight into our zone. So if everybody's had their breakfast, and you will have to stop and feed your family, but if it's time for you to start the little module of morning routine, zone, then go straight into, let's say, the living room. Right now we're actually in the kitchen, so we'll use the kitchen. So go right back into your kitchen and look at your 4 things that you've picked out to do this week. When you're planning during the week, you want to pick out 4 things to do. So let's say that you still got to declutter 2 things and then you're done. So you're going to declutter under your sink, and you're going to declutter your junk drawer, and then you're going to wipe the countertops really well, and then you're going to wipe the refrigerator off really well. So you've got 4 things to do this week. So day 1, you go into the kitchen, you go under the countertop, and under the sink, and you start clearing it out, and you don't leave till it's done. And then when you're done, you've done your zone. Next, we're going to do the basic weekly plan. So when I'm recording this, today is errand day. No, today is car and purse day. It's Friday. So you would go to your car and shake the mats, take any garbage out, and then you would go to your purse, dump it out, and stay where you are in that room. Don't run around. Just dump it right there in your bedroom. Dump it on the floor. Dump it on your bed. Just dump it and clear out everything that's in there and change purses or put things back in your purse all nice and neat. Wipe your purse off. Then you're done. Then you have the rest of the day to yourself. Now, this is an easy day. Car and purse day is an easy day. But let's say it was errand day or planning and desk day. Those are 2 of the bigger days. Let's say it was planning and desk day. So now you've done your zone and you're going to do planning and desk day. So you're going to go to your planning area, whether that's your rocking chair or a desk or wherever it is, and stay there. Don't get up and run all over the house. Stay there. So that means you might have to prep before you do. You may need to go to the bathroom first, get a cup of tea, have your candle, whatever it is you want to do to make it pleasant, because this is a longer thing. And you sit down and you start your planning. Now, you will have to go into your kitchen because you have to check your refrigerator and your pantry and those kind of things. But in the beginning, plan your week. See whatever's going on in your house for the week. You know, what's happening with the kids? Do you have to go to the dentist? That kind of stuff, and put it all on your planner. Now go into the kitchen, stay in the kitchen till you're done, have a pad and pencil with you, and make notes. What kind of menu can you make from these things in your head? Just have that going, but just put down the things that you need. So you're out of butter, you're out of milk, you're out of cheese, whatever it is, put that down. Look at your fresh fruits and vegetables, look in your freezer, and kind of get an idea of what's in there. While you're in there, if something's wilted or old or empty or sticky, get rid of it or wipe it off. If there's a circle on the shelf, wipe it off. That's going to keep your refrigerator looking nice. Also, take this opportunity to organize, like things together. So I know you had it that way, but get it that way again real quick, because the family's a little messy and you want to be able to know where the pickles are, right? Okay, now go back to your desk and finish. Plan your menus, make your grocery list, balance your checking account, look at your budget, and then make sure your grocery bill is going to match your budget. And if you don't know how to do that, if you can't figure out what you think it's going to be, then just put it on a Walmart app, the Walmart shopping app. You can put it in there, what you want to buy from the store, and it'll give you the prices and tell you the total. So you'll have a pretty good idea if you're spending over what you think you need to spend. If you are, then you have to edit your menu. You have to edit your shopping, okay? All right, so that's the example. And then when you're done, you're done. You're not going shopping now. Shopping is going to be on errand day. This is planning and desk day. So then you have the rest of the day to enjoy. You know your checking account is balanced. You know your budget is on track. It gives you power, makes you feel better. And it's just a good thing to do. So later on in the day, let's say that it's the after dinner routine. Stay in that kitchen till it's all done and keep your kids in there. Don't let them say later. Would you let them say later for flushing the toilet? Oh, I'll flush it later. No, you have to clean it up now. Bring me your plate and put it in the dishwasher. Firm, but kind. They have to do certain things. They're part of a family. And then the before bed routine, again, stay in each room that you need to stay in to get it finished. All right, that's it for today. I hope you have a fabulous day, and always remember to be beautiful because you are beautiful. Bye.